Looking for an infotainment upgrade that truly adapts to your vehicle and lifestyle? Imagine a system designed with a modular setup, giving you the freedom to install a large, vibrant screen even when space behind your factory radio is tight. This isn't just about size, it's about unlocking a versatile entertainment and navigation hub tailored to your needs. What sets this system apart is the total access it gives you to your smartphone's music and navigation apps. Whether you're an Apple CarPlay fan or prefer Google Android Auto, you get seamless Bluetooth connectivity, SiriusXM readiness, and HDMI support. Plus, with 4 camera inputs, including backup and side cameras, you can boost your safety by monitoring blind spots or hooking up a trailer camera. The option to add audio from an RV camera microphone means you won't miss any important sounds while driving. GPS navigation works independently of your phone's data connection, thanks to an integrated system that uses a GPS micro SD card from iGo, sold separately. This means you can rely on accurate directions wherever you go, without worrying about signal drops or data charges. From personal experience, the large screen really changes the game. It's easier to read maps and control music without distraction. While the GPS signal can sometimes fluctuate, repositioning the module usually fixes this, keeping your navigation smooth and dependable. The included installation guides, complete with videos and photos, make setup straightforward, even if you're not a tech expert. And if you run into any issues, US-based phone and email support is just a call or message away. If you're ready to upgrade your car's infotainment without compromise, this modular system is worth a look. It combines flexibility, safety, and connectivity in one package. Try it when you're ready and experience what a truly versatile infotainment solution can do for your drive.